this is Sharanya and welcome back to Us and the Little One. So last week we visited the Ananta luxury homestay for our baby moon staycation. We decided to go to this property as it was located at a very convenient distance of 25 km from Ananta Bangalore city. The beauty about a staycation is you don't need to go far to have a good time. If you are looking for the change from your day-to-day routine, head to this amazing resort, the Ananta. The entire property is built on 5.5 acres of farmland and with lush green gardens and pristine water bodies. A luxury villa is located in middle of the farm with modern amenities and well-maintained private pool. It comes with two beautiful rooms side by side with attached bathroom and a kitchen on the ground floor. The interiors are of premium quality and every effort is made to give you the maximum comfort in your stay. The view from the rooms are absolutely amazing. The ground floor has an outdoor dining area with a pool view. Once you get in, there is a full-size kitchen with all the necessities like fridge, cutleries, utensils, RO water, microwave, etc. There is also a washing machine and dryer to get your laundry done. In the farm, you will even find an in-house kitchen, which is popular for Mediterranean fusion cuisine. Over the 3-day stay, we tried a variety of dishes and I must say all of them were absolutely delicious. There is also a separate kids menu. The mini golf course is the main attraction here. You can pay a nominal charge of Rs 400 per person to try out your golfing skills. Overall, we found this property kid-friendly, be it the park, kids pool, basketball court, table tennis or a big green lawn. You can leave your kid to explore and play. Some of the other facilities in these properties are meditation area, pond with fountains, a banana plantation. There is also a designated area for evening bonfire where we spent family time and had dinner. Experiencing morning sunrise, a bird chirping, morning breeze makes you feel refreshed and relaxed. Our overall experience was absolutely blissful and amazing, and I totally recommend this place if you want to unwind, relax, and experience a luxury farm life. You can find all the booking details in the description below. If you like this video, do comment, like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.